Have you ever felt like your Windows PC is constantly trying to show you things you don't care about, or that it's just not working as smoothly as it should? Well, you're not alone. Windows 11, for all its improvements, comes with a bunch of default settings that can be incredibly annoying, compromise your privacy, or just aren't optimized for the best user experience. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to cut through all the noise and show you the top 5 essential settings you need to change right now to take back control of your PC. These are easy changes that will make a massive difference, whether it's boosting your privacy, improving your workflow, or simply getting rid of irritating pop-ups. So, let's dive in and transform your Windows experience. First up, let's talk about those moments when an application just freezes and refuses to close. It's frustrating, right? Normally, you'd have to open Task Manager, find the app, and force it to close. But there's a much easier way. Head into Settings, then System, and then look for Developers, or Advanced depending on your Windows version. Here, you'll find an option called End Task. Enable this. What it does is add a handy End Task option when you right-click an app's icon in your taskbar. This is a lifesaver for stubborn, frozen applications, letting you force close them instantly without jumping through hoops. Remember, use this when an app is actually frozen, as normally closing an app allows it to shut down properly, but for emergencies, it's invaluable. It effectively turns your taskbar into a powerful command center where you no longer have to wait for the spinning blue circle of death to clear up on its own. Moving forward, let's talk about privacy and those annoying recommendations that are really just ads. Windows loves to track your behavior to serve you personalized content and advertisements. To put a stop to this, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and then into the General menu. The first thing you'll want to disable is the setting for the advertising ID. This is crucial, as it stops Windows from creating a unique identifier that tracks your preferences for targeted ads. While you're in the same menu, also disable any options that mention suggested content, recommendations and offers in the Settings app, or personalized offers. These are essentially just more ads and unwanted bloat that clutter your experience. By turning these off, you're taking a significant step towards a more private and less intrusive Windows environment. You're essentially telling Microsoft that your computer is your personal space, not a billboard for their latest partnerships. Now, before we get to the performance tweaks, I want to show you a tool that I've been using lately that fits perfectly into this theme of making your PC more powerful and efficient. It's called Video Converter Factory, and it is honestly a beast when it comes to handling media. If you deal with video files at all, this is a must-have. It features massive batch conversion capabilities with over 500 presets available right out of the gate. You can change these resolutions simply by clicking the preset pane located on the right side of the interface. It opens up dozens of formats ranging from 8K down to 2K. Once you've picked your target format, look at the middle of the screen for that big plus icon. Click on it to add the video you want to convert, or better yet, you can add an entire folder of videos if you want to convert a whole series or project at once. While the video is on display, you can use the built-in tools to cut, rotate, edit, or trim the footage to your liking. Once you're satisfied, just select your output location at the bottom of the page and hit that Run button on the bottom right. The software uses GPU acceleration to give you 50 times the lightning encoding speed of standard converters. Beyond conversion, it also lets you download video and music from over 1,000 popular sites like TikTok, record your PC screen or gameplay, and even compress massive files with zero quality loss and much more. You should definitely check out their website at videoconverterfactory.com to see the different plans they offer. Following that transition, let's get back into the Windows settings. Are you tired of seeing all sorts of trending nonsense and news headlines when you try to search for something in your Start menu? It's distracting and rarely what you're looking for when you're trying to find a file or an app on your computer. To clean up your Start menu search, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and then navigate to Search. Here, you'll find the option Show Search Highlights. Go ahead and disable this. This simple change will remove all that trending clutter from your Start menu searches, giving you a much cleaner and more focused search experience, dedicated to finding what's actually on your PC. It makes the entire interface feel more like a professional workstation and less like a social media feed. Furthermore, let's talk about performance. If you're on a desktop PC, or even a laptop that's plugged in, Windows often defaults to a balanced power mode. While this is fine for general use, to ensure your PC is always giving you its best performance, you should switch this. Head to Settings, then System, and then select Power, or Power and Battery on a laptop. Under a power mode, change the setting for Plugged in to Best Power Efficiency. This ensures your computer is running at its maximum speed, giving you the best possible responsiveness for gaming, heavy applications, or just everyday tasks. For laptops, you can usually leave on Battery on the balance to conserve power, but when plugged in, Best Power Efficiency is the way to go. You want your hardware to actually use the electricity it's drawing to give you the speed you paid for. Finally, let's talk about those sneaky applications that silently enable themselves to start with Windows without you even knowing. These can slow down your boot times and consume valuable resources in the background. To keep an eye on this, go to Settings, then System, and then Notifications. Enable the option called Startup App Notification. This is one of the few notifications you actually want. If an app tries to enable itself to start with Windows when you install it, you'll get a clear notification, allowing you to decide whether you want it to run automatically or not. This gives you crucial control over what runs in the background and helps keep your system lean and fast. Scroll down a little bit and look for additional settings. Disable Get Tips and Suggestions when using Windows. And while you're here, it's also a great idea to quickly review the list of apps and their notification settings to disable any that you don't need. This puts you back in the driver's seat of your operating system. And there you have it! 5 incredibly impactful Windows settings that you can change right now to make your PC experience so much better. By taking just a few minutes to adjust these, you've improved your privacy, streamlined your workflow, and ensured your computer is performing at its best. It's amazing how much of a difference these simple tweaks can make, transforming your Windows machine from something frustrating into a truly optimized and personalized powerhouse. You deserve a computer that works for you, not one that works for advertisers or gets bogged down by hidden background processes. Taking the time to go through these menus is the first step in being a true power user of all the time.